to this and that. This feels very just relaxing. We've got Alan joining us. He's the president with Alliance Physical Therapy, and you guys have done wonders on my neck and my knee the last several years. Now let's talk about lower back issues. Alan, what do you have in your hand?
Okay, so this is a Shockwave device made by Zimmer. The thing is with this thing is insurance doesn't cover it, unfortunately, because people are always going to ask that question. But with that being said, I think it's important people to understand that if you don't have insurance to cover something like this, or if you don't have insurance at all for physical therapy coverage, our fee at Alliance is $79 out of pocket. So you can pay that per visit. Your first session there would be an evaluation and a treatment. Okay. I brought this because there's a lot of people out there who've never had this as a treatment before, and a lot of people out there with chronic pain, and we find that people with chronic pain, that this is a treatment modality that could really help them.
Yeah, now, what you have in your hand, it looks somewhat scary. It actually sounds kind of scary, but it doesn't hurt. It actually feels good. So if you're dealing with lower back pain, this could help you relieve some of that pain. So tell us how many sessions, how long are the sessions, Alan?
Okay, so if you were just coming for treatment for this, your session could be anywhere from 15 minutes to 25 minutes, depending on what the therapist is going to be treating, because with back pain there could be multiple areas. The spine above could affect the low back, your legs can affect the low back, so they may be treating multiple areas when it comes to Shockwave treatment.
And with that being said, before you turn it on, before you kind of show what it's all about, so you could be experiencing pain in your lower back, but the result of that pain, or the reason why you're having that lower back pain, it may not be in the lower back area, right?
Well, that's possible. Most of the time when people have pain in their low back, it's generally coming from the low back area. There's a level that's got nerve impingement. There's spasmodic muscles in there just closing down the foramen, which are the holes in which the nerves go out into your extremities. But this device is designed to put those things back in line. Okay. It's kind of like a trigger point release device. It's a little jackhammer, basically. Puts a lot of repetitive energy into an area, and that energy on top of the energy just pushes it down deep into the muscles that are right up against the vertebrae, which are your multifidus muscles, and turns those off. Those are like your hydraulics of your spine, and when they tighten down, they cause the bones to come closer together, the vertebrae, and pinch down on the nerve, which causes a lot of pain, like sciatic type pain, and pain that might refer up the spine into your gluteal areas and then down into your calves. So,
okay. All right. I don't know if I like the terminology you say in jackhammer.
Yeah. I thought, but the truth of the matter is, it's kind of like a little jackhammer device. It's not a little jackhammer device in there, but it's a really, It's not intense like a jackhammer, and you'll feel it here in a second.
Okay, we've got 60 seconds left.
All right, here we go.
So just
low back.
Okay, all right. See, it sounds kind of, but see, it's not.
So your therapist is going to find the area where he finds your problem may be. You may have a herniated disc at level L3, L4, and he's going to work over that transverse process, the paraspinal muscles, and try and turn off that spontaneous electrical activity that's occurring within that area to allow the vertebrae to reposition themselves or to relax the muscles so that they open the holes in which the nerves are passing through, so that those nerves are not being pinched and causing a muscle spasm.
It doesn't hurt, and that actually really felt good. It almost felt like a massage. Alan, always good seeing you. Thank you very much. You're going to have to do that on my lower neck, talking to you like this. Hey, call these folks. They know what they're doing. They've got 10 locations. Alliance Physical Therapy, 877-703-0011, nopainpt.com for more.